Hello friends, today we will learn cooking verbs with picture and their examples. Break. He is breaking an egg into a bowl. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Peel. Please peel a banana for me. Mix. Mix the flour with 2 eggs. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon into the fish? Pinch. He put a pinch of salt on his food. Chop. I need to chop the vegetables for the dish. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? He is slicing the vegetables. Great! Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Salt. Saute the onions for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Boil the rice for 20 minutes. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Whip. Could you whip the cream for me? Add. I like to add milk to my tea. She is adding spices to the soup. Sift. Sift the flour into a bowl. Sift the flour finally before adding it to the mixer. Blend. Blend the sugar and flour. Blend all the ingredients together. Knead. Knead the dough until smooth. I knead the dough for the bread.